Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a contact form to your Linktree page. To get started, open your Linktree admin area. This is the dashboard where you manage the links and content that appear on your Linktree page. Once you're there, make sure you're on the links section, since that's where new items can be added and organized. If your dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. Linktree occasionally updates its layout, but the general process remains very similar. Next, look for the Add button and click it. This is the starting point for creating a new item on your page. When you select Add, Linktree will open options for the kind of content you want to include. In this case, we're working toward adding a contact option, so the next step will help narrow that down. In the search or entry field, type Contact. This helps Linktree surface the most relevant option for what you want to add. Typing the keyword is a quick way to find the correct feature without scrolling through multiple choices. Take a moment here to confirm that the option shown matches a contact style link or form element. After that, click on Contact Details. This will open the Contact Details setup area where you can begin filling in the information that will be displayed or used for your contact section. This part is important because it defines what visitors will see when they interact with that contact feature on your Linktree page. Now enter a sample name in the appropriate field. If you're just testing things out, using placeholder information is a good idea before switching to your final details later. Make sure the text is clear and spelled correctly, since this contributes to how professional your page appears to visitors. Then, enter a sample occupation and continue following the on-screen procedure. At this stage, Linktree may guide you through a few additional prompts or settings related to the Contact Details section. Simply follow the instructions shown on your screen and review each field carefully as you go. This helps ensure your contact form or contact details are set up the way you want. As you finish, it's a good idea to preview your Linktree page to check how the contact section appears from a visitor's perspective. This lets you confirm that everything looks clean, readable, and easy to use. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding a contact form or contact details section to your Linktree page, making it easier for people to connect with you directly.